Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Welcome to Learn SQL at 1 month. In this course, you are going to learn the fundamentals of SQL, how to create a SQL database from scratch, how to use SQL commands, how to fetch data from the database, write data to the database, edit data in the database, as well as how to delete data from the database.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
SQL is still a very valuable skill to learn and master. Despite the proliferation of many NoSQL and hybrid SQL-NoSQL solutions, a lot of analytics software interact through SQL to read the data. The database could be document or key-value oriented, but it will most likely understand SQL queries, or a very close flavor.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
As a language, SQL is definitely simpler than Python. The grammar is smaller, the amount of different concepts is smaller. But that doesn't really matter much. As a tool, SQL is more difficult than Python coding, emo.
Take our lead.
The top 3 programming languages for data science. From this, you can see that Python, R and SQL are, by far, the 3 most in-demand languages for data science. Yet, being able to program in SQL becomes less important. This suggests that, in the long run, you are much better off learning R or Python than SQL.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.